Hi and welcome to this short tutorial. I'm going to show you how to calculate petrol cost for a return trip. So first up, we'll need to know what kind of car we're driving, what sort of fuel it uses, the average price for that type of fuel per litre. We need to know how many litres the vehicle uses per 100 kilometres, and how many kilometres we're going to be using all up. How many kilometres we're going to be travelling there and back. So to start off with, you'll see already that there's two different types of litres per 100 kilometres, and underneath you'll see urban and then extra urban. Urban is if you're just driving around town, so you have to stop and start a lot, slowing down a lot, speeding up. You're going to be using a lot more fuel per 100 kilometres, so that's why it's 11.9 litres in comparison to 6.2 litres per 100 kilometres. Extra urban meaning you're going to be travelling on the highway and you're not going to be stopping and slowing down as often, so that's why you use a lot less fuel per litre per 100 kilometres. So for this example, we're going to be using the 6.2 because we're going to be on the highway a fair bit when we're travelling from Gympie to Noosa. So this is what we do. We first put down the 6.2 litres. We're going to find out, by the way, how many litres it's going to take to get there and back first, so then we can calculate how much it'll cost. So we've got 6.2 litres. We're going to divide that by 100 kilometres. You can work this out on your calculator, or you can just use a metric conversion and you can move that decimal point back twice. 1, 2, and that'll be 0.062. Once you've got that answer, you're going to multiply that by how many kilometres you're going to be driving in your return trip, which is down here 130 kilometres. So 0.062, multiply that by 130 kilometres. Yeah, and the answer is going to be, it's going to tell us how many litres we're going to need. And the answer is, if you haven't got it already, 8.06 litres. So we haven't quite worked the question out yet. We're halfway through. We know how many litres now it's going to take to get to Noosa Main Beach and back to Gympie, but we need to work out how much it's going to cost. So going back over here, we know that it's about $1.14 per litre, and we know now that we're going to use 8.06 litres. So all we need to do is go $1.14, multiply that by 8.06 litres, and your answer will be in dollars because it'll tell you how much it's going to be, and that is $9.18, but we'll round it to the nearest tens, $9.20. And there you go. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask, and I hope that was helpful. Thanks. Bye.